The number one thing killing real estate deals right now in Greenville, South Carolina isn't interest rates, it's home insurance. I'm Angela Rodriguez, your favorite real estate broker in Greenville, South Carolina, and I want you to have the scoop on what's going on right now. After Hurricane Helene swept through the Carolinas, even though Greenville didn't take a direct hit, insurance companies started cracking down. Now they're adjusting risk models. I'm seeing deals fall apart right now before closing, not because of bad home inspections, but because people can't get insurance coverage. Roofs over 10 years old, being denied. They're deemed too risky. The roof doesn't even have to have a problem or a leak. I'm telling you, it's flat out age discrimination when it comes to these roofs. And houses built over 20 years ago? No way. The big companies don't want to touch them. Giant oak trees within 10 feet of the house? Declined. It's like the new favorite word, declined, declined, declined. Here's the truth. Big national insurance companies are no longer just checking for damage. They're using AI and satellite data to flag properties based on age, proximity to trees, and even how shaded your roof is, all without ever setting foot on site. Insurance used to be an afterthought, but now it is a make it or break it part of every single deal in 2025. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked what you see and you want to keep watching me put the real in real estate, please give us a follow, please subscribe, and I'll see you again on the next video.